I didn't see any wastage of a single thing also wasted. Like even a square foot is not been wasted. It's been accommodated very well, I could say, and we are very happy with the plan. And then we wanted to incorporate lift within our home because we didn't wanted to have any outside world to get into the lift. Because at that point of time itself, we thought that okay, we will have a tenant area for in one floor. We approached the right people at the right time at the right place, they say, right? So maybe 100 pillars was that for us.
Hi, this is Rangnath here. This is my wife, Lavanya.
Hello.
And I'm into IT profession. So I have a great purpose of building this house for my wife. So she wanted the house to build for herself and have it. So I'm actually, it's a gift for my side for her.
So I think approximately around 5 to 6 companies wherein myself and my husband, we both of us sat. Then we did have a lot of Excel sheets, starting from their per square foot area to their material usage. All those things were noted down, and then we did a lot of comparison.
So I had a requirement of the lift was one of the main purpose which we had, and the parking space. And then of course the locality and the place where we live is overpopulated as of today. We wanted to come to a peaceful area. Yeah, so definitely we had a initial, we don't get into deep into Vastu as such, though we believe the four corners of this one, and the main requirement what we gave to 100 pillars was also that take care of the Vastu. So we just handed over to them. So they worked out on that. So absolutely we didn't consult any other Vastu or persons or expertise or something like that. So they have worked out from their self, so which we are satisfied on.
So we did have a very elaborate initial discussion. I think it went for a couple of hours to 3 hours, I think. So and that one was a very candid discussion and an elaborate discussion. Like we started giving information like okay, starting from like my husband, as he mentioned, we wanted to have a very long parking, and then we wanted to incorporate lift within our home because we didn't wanted to have any outside world to get into the lift because at that point of time itself, we thought that okay, we will have a tenant area for in one floor. So that one was mentioned, and then things like in the kitchen, we wanted open kitchen as well as a closed kitchen. So we wanted that one to be incorporated. So it would act like an open kitchen, and so if you see our plan also, it works likewise. And then wherever there was a space constraint, they have tackled it very religiously and very aesthetically they have tackled it. Like maybe we have incorporated a sliding door to the kitchen so that there won't be any space constraint like opening in or out. So I mean the minute details have been taken into consideration. Then in the hall, so that to give that illusion effect, okay, once when you sit in the hall, when you see the plan also, you can see a long hall. So it's not restricting the house to look small. So that kind of a planning is being done, and then we have asked for a bigger puja room. So that's also been considered. So within the plot, within the given size of 30 and 40, they have tried to like optimize the space for us. And then we asked for big gym room. So the gym room can be converted as a gym room, or it can be converted as a sitting area for watching a nice movie to have a big screen. So that's also been given. I mean, an option has been provided. And then places like to have a nice swing and like a very beautiful swing. So wherein when you just climb up the stairs at the fourth floor, when you land there, then you see a swing area. So that's also been there. I mean, either you could have a swing area or as a dry court. So this and not wasting area anywhere. I didn't see any wastage of a single thing also wasted. Like even a square foot is not been wasted. It's been accommodated very well, I could say, and we are very happy with the plan. We never thought of Juliet balcony, so they have given an option of Juliet balconies in 2 floors. So one is in my daughter's room and one is in the living room. So because of the Juliet balcony, what's happening is the inflow of air is very good. So the light, the airflow, the ventilation is fantastic. So that's something that we loved it. We all of us loved it.
I mean, to be frank enough, we just started in a year. We just 16 December will be an year we signed the agreement. So 12 months, 13 months was the plan. But our plan approval took 3 months in the beginning, from January to March. So without the plan approval, we were not supposed to go. Though they are ready and we were ready, we didn't have to sign the documents. June, March and April, May came the pandemic. We lost another 2 months. So timelines, if you ask me, the speed up or the time which is there, we are absolutely happy. Even though we lost 5 months, we are happy with the speed up. Even I'm actually pushing them more speed up, little faster. But I'm absolutely fine. There is no doubt about it. There is not a single day which has been stopped. Even from the holidays I have come here and seen some or the other work is going on. So nothing.
I mean, in fact, our foundation was way like it was not 5.5 feet. It was around 11.5 feet. So whenever we used to come to the site visit, it used to be in that mode itself. So then I used to come and tell my husband, no, I'm still seeing that only. I'm not still seeing my building rising up at all. 1 month, I think. Then after that, the work just speeded up so fast. Then I think they had people from other places also, and then the speed went in like rocket speed, I could say. So, and that one also was one of their commitment, because they were saying that wherever there are deadlines to any of the places, then they tend to use resources from different buildings to do the commitment, like to come to their deadlines. So the same thing would happen to your building also. Whenever there is a deadline that we need to meet, we'll get people from other places also, and then we'll use all the resources to speeden up the process. The same thing happened. So that's how it went in rocket speed.
So I had 2 plans of going. One was the solar, where I wanted to go completely eco-friendly and green kind of situation. And so that also been, they have referred me a good client. So they have come, taken the measurement, direct to quote. So I'm working on that. Okay, so that was one of my requirement, was to have eco-friendly plan, as well as some greenery part I just started. That has been worked out in the ground floor. So I'm okay with that, eco-friendly part. We had incorporated rainwater harvesting. So they had suggested us how to go about this. So I wanted to have a separate tank and other things which I had discussed with them. They suggested, in today's world, I think there is a best machineries which comes, rainwater has to get filtered and you can use it in your own tank. So we had a bigger tank comparatively for the regular uses as well as the rainwater harvesting. So that is one of the good things. So I can just say solar and water, I'm well utilizing both. In the beginning of the construction, so we had about 4-5 feet of going depth for the pillars or foundation, what you call. So then we had did a soil testing. We did 2 times soil testing, to be more frank, and then we had to go about 11.5 feet. So that was an additional cost. Or then maybe there was some construction which we overextended, we want to take it out of connections. So what is happening is the schedule given, they are trying to maintain within that, as well add the additional cost into that. So it is not a pinch for me, basically, just to, in a nutshell, or if I have just tell in one-liner, now today if I see the statement, I say, oh, did I pay so much? So that was a smooth flow of curve and payments. And in terms of security of the payments, absolutely fine with that. Whatever you give the money, there is a worth of that much has been given.
I gave all my requirement, that how many floors or what's the tank size, everything was given to her. I gave all my requirements to Srinivas. Then Srinivas himself proposed, okay, in terms of, because they have different slabs, like they have standard, then superior, and then premium, I think, if I'm not wrong. So based on that, what should I go, things like that. So based on that, he gave me a new quotation. So that's how we both of us went to his office, and then that's how I think our journey started with Srinivas, or rather with 100 Pillars. You know, when you get some positive vibes, you tend to move forward. When you get a negative vibes, you tend to withdraw yourself. So that's how when we had a lot of positive feedback about 100 Pillars and then Srinivas. So that's how we began a journey with 100 Pillars. So once when the agreement has been signed off, I think my conversation with Srinivas is very, very negligible when compared to Kishan, because then Kishan came on board, and then he's been very accommodative in all the requirements, anything that we give, and he gives very practical solutions, and then practical ideas, and he foresees some problem, and he says, madam, I don't think so this feasible, you should do another thing. So like this, actually there are a lot of things that we have come across. He's very accommodative. He doesn't say no madam, you shouldn't do this, no madam, you shouldn't do that, nothing like that. In case we feel that's required for us, then very openly, then they don't say no, if at all you go for this kind of a planning, it's going to take you a bomb. No, they try to accommodate within the given package itself. So sometimes wherein we go way beyond that, then we have paid extra. I mean, I shouldn't be saying that they are not accommodative. They are very accommodative.
Robin is very, very accommodative. 5 o'clock I want him to be here, he's here at 4:45 in the AM morning. Just we had one experience where I wanted to start at 5 o'clock in the morning AM. So he was here at 4:30. He called me, sir, are you on the way or something like that. So I was also on the way. So he arranged the things and he comes in any small helps and kind of things. He keeps giving suggestions as well. So that is one of the good things. Absolutely, they have a good team of site engineers. So if I cannot till late, I have not faced any issues.
They sort out the issues then and there. They do not want to prolong it at any given point of time. So I'm absolutely happy with it. It's
I would say transparency and honesty. That two things which he actually liked it very much from my side. I think she can inspire.
maybe it's like we approach the right people at the right time at the right place, they say, right? So maybe 100 pillars was that for us.
100 pillars.
100 pillars, build right, live smart.